Have you been looking for where to get Canva Pro tapping in them? Then stick around cause this video is for you. Most of us like using Canva to design, but what is causing us problem with Canva is that not all the features are free. But if you watch the video to the very end, you will no longer have issue with that again. And also in the course of this video, I'll be dropping a code in this video. Yes, somewhere in this video, I'll be dropping a code. Once you get the code, once you see the code, just go to the comment section and type Canva graphic design in the comment section alongside with your phone number. Yes, just type Canva graphic design alongside with your phone number. Just type it in the comment section. Then once I see it, then I will just use your phone number to add you to a special group on WhatsApp where I'll be giving out a free Canva course. Yes, where you will learn everything about Canva graphic design. But please don't drop the code in the comment section. Yes, don't drop the code in the comment section. If you just have the code, just go to the comment section and just type Canva graphic design alongside with your phone number, your WhatsApp number. Yes, your WhatsApp number, so that I'll add you to a group. If you type the code in the comment section, you won't be getting the design course that I'm giving out. So you get that in mind. So for those of you that don't know me, my name is Wise, and I teach about content creation, YouTube growth, and also how to make money online. So if today is your first time coming across my video, you are welcome. And if also if you're a returning viewer, you are also welcome. So if you like what we are doing on the channel and you are not yet subscribed, you are missing a lot. I will advise you to hit that subscribe button. Yes, hit that subscribe button, like video, and also share, so at any time video you'll get notified. Now if you have watched the video to the very stage, then just go to the comment section and type Canva Pro. Yes, go to the comment section and type Canva Pro if you have watched it to the very stage, so that I will know those of you that are actually serious with this Canva Pro of 18. Yes, so that I will know those of you that actually want it. Go to the comment section and type Canva Pro. Yes, go and type it right now before we continue. Okay, now that you are done typing Canva Pro in the comment section, now let's get to the main video. So the first thing you have to do, just to go to your Play Store and search for the app Canva. Yes, if that Play Store or App Store, whatever one you are using, Play Store or Apple Store, just go there and search for Canva. Yes, and download it. As you can see on my own, I already have it on my phone. That's why it's showing updated. So I just have to update it because it's updated. So if you, for those of you that don't have it, you have to install it to your phone. So just click on it, then wait for it to install. I see I'm trying to update my own before we get started. Let's just give it some time to install. It won't take that long. Okay, it's already up to 100%. Let's just wait for it. So that just make sure you follow all the steps if you want to get full results when actually getting your Canva Pro. Yeah, and at the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you some steps that they won't tell you. Yes, so once you have already installed it, then just open it and just wait for it to load up. Sometimes it takes time, depends on how network is and depends on how fast your phone is. So make sure if your phone is slow, you have to wait for a longer time, and if your phone is fast, then it's still an advantage to you. Also make sure your network is also still good. Yes, when I mean good, I mean your network is very good. So once you get it, just for you to just, they will ask you to sign in. Yeah, so it's not showing here. I think it has to you can't show in screen record. So just for you to sign in using your Google, then choose your account you want to sign in with, and just wait for it to load. Just give it some time to load. It won't take that long. So once you have created an account using either your Google or Google account or whatever, because they will list out something there for you to choose from, then just for you to just wait for it, for the dashboard to open. Yes, that is the home page of Canva. So I want to show you something here before we jump into the main part. Here you just choose anyone. For me, I'll be choosing student. Yes, I'm a student, so I'll be choosing students. Yeah, so then you choose which, where are you students in university and blah blah blah, just choose it. Then for here here's where I want to show you what I want to show you. So just scroll up. If you scroll and check out, you'll see this place, all this like saying pro, which means you have to pay for it before you can access all this one. Let me show you another one. And look at there, this is another one. It's still showing pro. There is it. Let me click on it now. Just wait, you see have to upgrade before you can use it, which means you have to upgrade before we can use it. So this is it. Now it's time for us to get our Canva. To get our Canva Pro, just go to your browser, whatever browser you are using, but most time I prefer Chrome browser. Yeah, but if you don't have product, just search for anyone you are using. Once you get there, then search for Bingo Tingo. I know most of you might have know this Bingo Tingo, but let me show you something you don't. Let me tell you something you don't know about it. So just follow me as we go on. You just in Bingo Tingo, then just search for it. Click on the first one, like the one that you can see. So Bingo Tingo, and wait for it to load up. Just let it scroll up. I'll be telling you something very important here that most creators won't tell you about this Bigo Tingo here. So just search very well, scroll. I think I've passed it. Okay, this is it. How to get Kimba. Click on it. The image, that is the image, how to get Kimba. Just click on it. Wait for it to load up. I'll give it some time to load. Yeah, then just wait to scroll, just keep on scrolling to the down part. Yeah, most times if your browser is on ad block, it will be disturbing, so you have to remove it from ad block before you use it. Then click on this download, wait for it to still load up. Then you see this place, you click on this get here. Yeah, this get here you are seeing here, just click on it. Once you click on that get here, then it will take you automatically back to Canva. Yes, from once you just click on there, it will take you automatically back to Canva. Wait for your Canva to load up and open. Just make sure you have good internet connection when doing this. You make it more faster. Then you see this welcome to Boya Baker class. You see, you already get it just as easy as that. Then you just click on let's go. So just still wait. I have something that I will explain at the end of this video. Yes, very important. Yeah, so now let's just look for any pro this thing to click on and check if it actually work. Yeah, any pro version here that we need, that we can use. Okay, we should use this one here. Which one now? Okay, let me just take anyone. Yes, let me take this one. You can see, you just click on it. You can see this one is a pro this thing, and actually, which means it work. Yeah, it work. Now let me explain what most creator does. Most creator will tell you that this thing is lifetime, but the truth is it's not lifetime. It's not lifetime. After a month, it normally just go off. Yes, after a month it go, because it's people that are subscribing to it, then they add you to their, you can join their team. Yes, so once you see that you are, it's no longer working, just for you to go back and redo it again. It's not lifetime, it's for every month. So that is just it. So now let's try to download it. Let's click on download. Okay, yes, the download is working. Let's just wait for it to save. Can see, which means it's working. This is just as simple as any other thing here. To get your cover is not really hard. It's as simple as that. And I hope you guys already gotten the code, because I already dropped the code somewhere, and I hope you guys have already gotten it, and I hope you guys actually enjoyed this video. So let's wait. Okay, tap save. I guess that's why it's showing this thing. Let me just cancel it. You can see it have saved. It's showing save to gallery. It's just as simple as that, guys. Okay guys, so that is just it. How to get Canva Pro. That is just it in just the shortest form. Yeah, so if you actually like this video, yes, you get something for this video, then don't leave without subscribing. Hit that subscribe button, like video, and also share this video, so that anytime I leave video you'll get notified. So I hope you enjoy the video, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks.